Do you want to know how to do glitch transitions in Premiere Pro like this, or like this, without having to download any plugins within 30 seconds? Well, let me show you how. This has all been made possible due to Premiere Pro now owning Film Impact, which before used to cost a £30 a month subscription that I used to pay, and available for all of you guys to use. And I'm going to show you how now. So we're in our project. So I've got some random clips here. We're going to go to effects. We're going to go to video transitions. And now you can see we have these folders called Film Impacts. So what we're going to go to the essentials. I'm going to show you one in here, which I believe is the only one within the essentials, which I think is similar to a glitch effect. So I'm going to let that play. See how easy that was? Drag and drop. Boom. Within Premiere Pro. Awesome. Now you can shorten that if you like. So it's a shorter transition. Okay. You add a sound to that. It's going to be great. Now, if you then click onto the transition, click onto effect controls, we now have parameters that allow us to change this. You can actually click onto this surprise me button. And what it will do is it will randomly change these parameters just to make each one a little bit different. What's great about this, say you do end up with a type of transition that you like. I'm holding down the Alt button as I'm dragging this across, so I've just duplicated it. Now, if I click on that transition, press Command C, click in there, Command V, it will paste the same transition with the same effects all within that. And you see how this isn't slowing my project down? You see how everything is still running smoothly? There were so many times where you would download a transition pack and you have to nest things and put them on top and it would slow everything down. Not anymore. So now we're going to go into the distortions folder. Hey guys, a quick note from our sponsor, which is me. I have made these laser engraved bookmarks for videographers and editors just in time for Christmas. You know that you do not have enough money to buy someone a camera for Christmas. You do not have enough money to buy them a lens. Do you buy them a lens cover? No, buy them a videographer and editor inspired bookmark, which I have made to add to the community. We have ones here which are the tools within Premiere Pro with their shortcuts and their description as to what they are and what they do, as well as giving you guys the exact file structure for your exports, what to name them. You can find these in the description below, and I'm really grateful if you do buy one and support me and what I'm doing here. So now we're going to go into the distortions folder, and we're going to first start off by clicking on Earthquake Impacts. Okay, let's see what we got. Boom. All within Premiere Pro. Final Cut, eat my dust. Amazing. Okay, same thing. Click on that, surprise me. Let's see what we get. Wow, you can do this for all of them. Let's click surprise me. Again, you guys can look in your own time. I'm just introducing you to the thing that's going to change your life. Thank me later. Flicker Impacts. Drag onto that. Interesting. Not as fun, I'm not going to lie, but still. Interesting. I think there's a lot you could do with this. Cool. Now we have a glitch 2.0. Drag and drop that. See what we got. It's a classic sort of glitch there. Looks great. Let's click surprise me. We're now going to do Grunge Impacts. Yeah, I like this one. I think this is really nice. And then the last two, which have a glitch sort of effect, is the TV power, which is like turning off. It is a glitch in a sense, right? It's glitched on and off. And then the last one is VHS Damaged. This is like a rewind. Love it. So I'm going to put on the screen now the names of the transitions within Film Impact that are glitch type effects. This should save you guys time. If you're trying to go through all of these, you don't have to. I've written them all down for you now, and I'm also going to put them in the comments below. So there you have it, guys. That is how you do glitch transitions in seconds in Premiere Pro. Again, this used to be something that we used to envy the DaVinci Resolve editors for. We used to envy the Final Cut editors for having simple drag and drop ways of doing this. Whereas with us Premiere Pro users, we used to have to download those transitions from Elementor or all these other third-party platforms, and then it would massively slow down your edits, and you would have to create nests and nests. And now it's a simple process with fine adjustments available within the edit controls monitor. This is a game changer. It has made me love Premiere Pro all the more. It's taken way too long for us to get this, but now we have it. Let's enjoy it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and I'm really excited, and I want to share more with you guys about video editing, about filming, about getting a career within filmmaking, so please do follow along.